You guys, this hair is lit. Hey queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Nene, and today I am giving you another episode of New Year, New Wig. Yes, honey, I hope you have been enjoying it. And today is a sponsored video from UniceHair. Thank you guys over at UniceHair for sending me out this unit so I can show all my homegirls what's popping with your hair, okay? So you guys, today is also a collab with none other than the Silky Sax. I reached out to her because I really like her channel and her content, and she agreed to collaborate with me on this New Year, New Wig series. So she is bringing you guys also a wig review tonight. Make sure you guys go and check her out after you leave this video, and make sure you comment and let her know Nene sent you. Without further ado, let's get this wig review poppin'. Yes! Okay, girl, let's go ahead and talk about it. So the cap construction, you get two combs on the side, one in the nape and a little comb right there in the middle. And girl, I really appreciate that little comb because she be holding it down, okay? So here is the lace. I'm gonna slow it down for you, girl. Slow it down. Yes, y'all, this is a 13x6 lace frontal wig. As you can see, it does come with some natural baby hairs. I do thin those out later, so make sure you watch to the end if you want to see how I tweaked her to be that beautiful thumbnail that she is, okay? So this is a 16-inch water wave curl pattern lace front wig. It's 100% Brazilian virgin human hair, and the density is 150%. I do like the density. I think that is full enough, but not too overbearing, because you do not want your wig to be too big, but you definitely don't want your wig to be too thin. So you guys, again, this is by UniceHair. I'm going to go ahead and start styling. Also, you guys, in this inch and this style, this wig does retail for $129.30. Now, I hear a lot of you guys say that you don't really rock with human hair wigs because they are so expensive, but I'm giving you affordable alternatives. $130 for this wig, I would pay you guys, and I will tell you exactly why in the outro of this video. Also, you guys, on the website right now, there is a 5% coupon, so you can get even more coins off. Honey, I'm giving you versatility. Is that the word? Girl, no. You know what I be saying. I'm giving you options. Sweetie, girl, I got you, okay? Watch to the end and we'll talk about it. All right, bye. Hey queens, all right, let's go ahead and talk about this unit. Now you guys, I was just gonna make this a simple voiceover and give you guys all the details, but I am really impressed with this unit, so I had to come up here and let y'all know. You guys, this unit is from UNice. They did send me out this unit, and I have tried a couple of units from them. I think this is like my third unit from them that I have been trying, and when I tell you, girl, this is my absolute favorite out of the three that I have tried. The first one I tried was a kinky curly one. The second was a body wave, and this is their water wave. You guys, this hair is lit. I feel so beautiful in this wig, and let me tell you why. When you guys know, I a lot of the time shy away from human hair wigs because I'm not the type of girl to lay and slay and all that stuff down with the glue and all that stuff, y'all. I'm not that type of girl, and I'm gonna be putting in a little bit of powder while I'm talking to y'all because I just realized that I forgot to put it in because it looked that bomb. I didn't even notice. But anyways, like I was saying, y'all, I am not that type of girl to be doing all the glue and all that stuff. I'm an easy throw on and go. You guys know that is the basis of my channel. Easy, cute, affordable. That's what I do. And that is why I don't do a ton of human hair units. But you guys, the fact that I didn't even put powder in my part and I still felt like this wig looked bomb. Like, I literally just realized that while I was talking to y'all. You guys, I put this wig on, and the first thing I noticed was the texture was really, really nice. The texture is really soft, and it really gives you a great water wave feel, and it's easy to style. So from there, I just laid my baby hairs just a little bit. You guys, 2 swoops and I was done. This wig looks popping. The feel is so soft, light, and airy. Like, I feel like I just left the beach. I feel popping. Like, y'all, I'm not even trying to hype you guys up because this, I'm really like, I'm not even trying to hype you guys up. Like, I would pay my coinage to get this wig. And y'all know I do not spend money like that. You guys, this UNice store is through Amazon. So I will have the link to everything for you guys. I will be posting more images on my story and stuff. But girl, I just had to get up here and tell y'all, look at that. Oh my gosh. But anyways, let me give you guys a 360. This is the front. This is the right side. This is everything pulled to the front and then pulled to the back. And then this is the left. So like I said, you guys, I really love this hair. It's so light and easy, and I feel like it looks so good. I'm very, very pleased and impressed. So I had to come here and tell y'all the real tea without just the voiceover, because I feel like that was not giving it justice, y'all. I want to say thank you again to my girl Silky Sax. Make sure you guys go and check her out. Check out her video that she posted tonight. And of course, leave her a comment and some love. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you tell me what you think in the comments. And again, I will have this as one of my weekly deals for Amazon posted for you guys. The link is in the description. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you share, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.